Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are continuing our series of short videos on learning PySpark. In the previous video, we learned how to work with dates and perform basic time-based analysis. Today, we take a big step forward. We will calculate our first real product metric, DAU daily active users. This is one of the most important metrics in product analytics. DAU stands for daily active users. It answers a simple but powerful question. How many unique users were active on a given day? This metric is used in mobile apps, games, SaaS products, websites. It helps companies understand user engagement. Before writing code, we need to define what is an active user. In our case, a user is active if they have at least one event on a given day. This is a common definition in analytics. Let's check our dataset. df.show, we have user_id, event_type, event_date. We will use these columns to calculate DAU. We need to count unique users per date. In PySpark, we use group by count distinct import. From PySpark.skl.functions import count distinct. Now calculate DAU. DAU_df equals df.group by event_date closing parenthesis .agg. Count distinct user_id closing parenthesis .alias DAU. Let's sort the result. DAU_df.order by event_date closing parenthesis .show. Now we see DAU per day. Each row represents 1 day, number of unique users. Example: the 1st of January 2025 gives 1 user. The 2nd of January 2025 gives 1 user. The 3rd of January 2025 gives 1 user. This is DAU. DAU is used to track growth, measure engagement, compare product performance, build dashboards. This is one of the first metrics analysts calculate in any product. In real projects, DAU is often combined with WAU weekly active users, MAU monthly active users, retention, cohorts. And all of this starts from this simple calculation. Today we learned what DAU is, how to define active users, how to calculate DAU using PySpark, how to interpret the result. This is your first real analytics metric. Your homework: calculate DAU, sort results by date. Try calculating DAU per platform. Then answer in the comments which platform has higher DAU. Thank you for watching. Practice the homework and write your answer in the comments. In the next video, we will calculate retention, one of the most important product metrics. Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.